So good afternoon, students. We are learning conjunctions, and I hope that now it is very much clear to you that what are conjunctions. As we have already learned and revised that these conjunctions are joining words, are joining words. They join two words, two phrases, or two clauses. Okay. So today we have certain examples to note them. Their types have been explained to you. They can be broadly divided into three categories: coordinating, subordinating, and correlative. Okay? Correlative, subordinating, and coordinating. Coordinating conjunctions, as I gave you, learn these coordinating conjunctions through a trick, that is fan voice. Yesterday I told you or not? Fan voice. Fan voice. It is the trick to learn. Then today we shall have certain examples to solve. Okay? So if we have some practice, we will be having a more clear concept about conjunctions. There are, as I told you, subordinating conjunctions can be divided into these categories: fanboys. Okay? So, coordinating can be divided into fanboys. Now, subordinating conjunctions can also be divided according to several categories, and they are of 9 categories. सबॉर्डिनेटिंग, कोऑर्डिनेटिंग तो हमने बता दिया फैन बॉयज के नाम से जो है, बस वही फैन बॉयज. ओके. Subordinating conjunctions can be of, they can be divided into 9 categories. How many? These are 9 categories. They are, first one is conjunction of time. Of time you can write this way. Subordinating conjunction of time. They are like when, whenever, since, until, till. जब हम टाइम फ्रेज यूज कर रहे हैं, they are all subordinating conjunctions of time. While, as, before, these are all the subordinating conjunctions of time. Okay. Examples are when, before, till, until. Okay. As long as, while, as long as. Okay. So these are the examples of conjunctions of time. The second category is of place. Of place. Place means जो जगह को represent करते हैं. These are where, whenever, whither, wherever. Where, and where. I can come to the place wherever you say. जहां भी तुम चाहो. I can visit the place wherever you say. जहां भी. Third, of. Now we come to reason. Third is reason. Conjunction of subordinating conjunctions of reason. Reason बताना होता है हमें कि because, since, as. Because, since, as. Fourth, of. रीजन के बाद हम यूज करते हैं पर्पस. क्या पर्पस है किसी कंजंक्शन को लिखने की? द कंजंक्शन ऑफ पर्पस. व्हेन वी वांट टू शो द पर्पस ऑफ द पर्पस इन द सेंटेंस. सेंटेंस में जब एक क्लॉज या फ्रेज का दूसरे से पर्पस शो हो रहा हो तब हम यूज करते हैं ये कंजंक्शंस. दैट, इन ऑर्डर दैट, in order that he works hard so that he can achieve success. Then fifth one is of result. रिजल्ट में हमें क्या बताया जाता है? कंसिक्वेंसेस. और रिजल्ट सीधा आंसर है दैट. That is the conjunction which is used to show the consequence or the result of the event. Then comes of condition. Of condition. कंडीशन बताते हैं. कंडीशन बताने वाले वर्ड्स क्या हैं? इफ, whether. So there is not much difference between these two words, if और whether. if और whether में कोई ज्यादा फर्क नहीं है unless you must have read direct and indirect speech, and in that case we use interrogative sentences when the interrogative sentences of helping verb, when they are changed into indirect speech, we use if with such questions which start with helping verb. Okay, so if is there. Next is the subordinating conjunction of comparison. Okay, comparison. This conjunction is shown with the help of as or than. He is taller than his brother. She is as beautiful as her sister. So these are the conjunction of comparison. Eighth is subordinating conjunction of. Another category is of manner. Manner is shown by only as. He did as he was directed. He did the job as he was directed. It is the adverb of manner. So, sorry, this is the conjunction of manner. Then it is the last category is the conjunction of concession. Concession is shown by the words though and although. Though, although. They are shown with the help of these words though and although. So these are the, broadly speaking, or the major divisions of subordinating conjunctions. Okay. Correlative, as I told you, these are the words which, or the conjunctions which are used as pairs. पेयर के फॉर्म में काम में लिए जाते हैं. Although yet, such as two, neither nor, either or, so that. Look, I am giving you one example. You must have noted it down. Okay, so these conjunctions, correlative conjunctions, are always come in pairs. Okay, so now we come to the sentences which are used or joined with the help of correlative. So that correlative. Correlative conjunction. And first one is coordinating conjunctions. We have already studied them. So that, such that, to, either or, neither nor, and not only but also, not only but also, as so, so as as, so as, so that. I am using one sentence and the same is to be used with other conjunctions, correlative conjunction, and how it gets its meaning changed. Look, the box is so heavy that I cannot lift it. For example, the box is so heavy that I cannot lift it. So and that. Okay. Now you have to change it using the conjunction to. The box is too heavy to lift. Okay. Yeah, too heavy for me to lift. Too heavy for me to lift. Okay. So this way, the meaning, though the meaning remains the same, but the use of conjunction is changed. So heavy that I cannot lift it. Not is used in first sentence, but here not is understood and it has gone into two. The box is too heavy for me to lift. इसका मतलब मैं इसको उठा नहीं सकता. And the first sentence also conveys the same meaning. Okay. Now we should solve certain examples, so it will be very easy for you to understand. Fine. Let us come to other sentences examples. For the conjunctions of time, take one example. You can visit whenever you have the time or whenever you like. Okay, whenever. Then make hay while sun shines. It is a proverb. Make hay while sun shines. Wait here till I return. These are all the conjunctions of time. I waited for him until the sun set. Then a patient had died before the doctor arrived. The train had left the station before I reached there. So before and all these are before, when, whenever, since. I have not seen you since you left. Since here is acting as a conjunction of time. Since you left. Okay. Then you can sit wherever you like. Wherever is the conjunction of place. Wherever you like. Sit, you can sit wherever you like. We will find your books where you have kept them. Okay, where is commonly used conjunction. The deer ran away because the lion chased him. The deer ran away because he saw a lion. Fine. I will attend your party since you desire. Since यहाँ इस पर्पस के लिए भी आता है, बिकॉज के लिए भी आता है. ओके. देन रीजन, मतलब सिंस यहाँ रीजन देने के लिए भी आता है. आई एम हैप्पी दैट यू लाइक माई प्रेजेंटेशन. आई एम हैप्पी दैट you liked my presence. You liked my presentation. And as he was ambitious, I slew him. It is a dialogue from the play Julius Caesar. In this play, there is one character who killed another one. So he said that he became ambitious and I slew him. So it is a very famous dialogue from the play. Then we eat that we may remain alive or we may live. We eat that we may live. That is used to show the purpose. Walk carefully lest is another conjunction to show the purpose. इसका मतलब है ताकि नहीं, नेगेटिव में. Walk slowly or walk carefully lest you should fall. नहीं तो तुम गिर जाओगे. Then Ram worked hard so that he might pass. Ram worked hard so that he might pass. Then the next example is, he was so intelligent that he won the first prize. So that it is the example of result or consequence. Consequence से परिणाम है उसका, he was so intelligent that he got the first position. I will help you if you help yourself. If you provide me the fact, I will help you if you provide me the information. Okay. So this is another example of the conjunction of condition. If shows the condition only. If क्या बताता है? Condition. You cannot pass unless you work hard. You cannot pass unless you work hard. So it is an conjunction of purpose. Okay. Condition. Condition है ये कि अगर तुमने अपनी हेल्प खुद नहीं की तो पास नहीं हो सकते. If you don't help yourself, you won't succeed. So if is there. It is the conjunction of condition. Then the conjunction of comparison. He is taller than his brother. She is as beautiful as her sister. So these are the conjunctions of comparison. He is as clever as his brother. Comparison is being done, and therefore they are called the conjunctions of comparison. Now we come to manner. Conjunctions of manner. Like how the action has been done. कैसे action हुआ? The function was all over as we expected. As we expected. As we expected. As we expected. Everything was over as we expected. Or as you sow, so shall you reap. ये क्या बताता है? कैसा होगा एक्शन. So shall you reap. जैसा बोगे वैसा काटोगे. Then of concession. Though Hari is rich, he is very miser. Though he is rich, he is miser. So today we have discussed several examples and I hope it is clear to you now.